Whether you're just getting into boost or already scared a few neighbors with spool noises, this list is for you. These turbos hit a sweet spot. Real performance, real reliability, and real affordability. And your next turbo just might be on this list. On number 1, we're gonna start out with Garrett GT28R, aka the Disco Potato. The cost, $900 to $1,200. Boost capabilities up to 25 PSI. Best for 200 to 300 horsepower builds. Where to buy it? Garrett official site, ATP Turbo, or eBay on used deals. What does it fit? A Nissan SR20 DET, Mazda Miata, Honda B-Series swaps, and Subaru EJ20s. This is the legend of spool-happy daily drivers. Quick spool, great reliability, and it sounds phenomenal. It's a deal for a small displacement motors that want serious low-end punch. If you're building a streetable track weapon or just want to smoke some Mustangs off the line, this turbo is for you. And that's just the beginning, because this next turbo brings diesel power to the tuner scene. At number 2, we have the Holset HX35. Cost $400 to $700 used, $850 if you want a new one. Boost capabilities 30 to 40 PSI. Best for 400 to 600 horsepower builds. Where to buy it? Craigslist, diesel forums, or eBay, or the G Pro Pop Shop. What does it fit? A Dodge Cummins, stock, LS swaps, a 2JZ, RB25, a KA24DE, and a 4G63. This thing is a diesel brute. Known for its high boost and iron tough reliability, it will hold power all day. You can daily it or drag it. And for the price, you're getting serious power per dollar. Perfect for if you got heavier rear wheel drive builds. But what if you're really balling on a budget? Let's talk about turbo number 3. At number 3, the eBay T3/T4 turbo, known as Godspeed or Maxus Speed. Cost $100 to $250. Boost capabilities 10 to 15 PSI safely. Best for 200 to 350 horsepower builds. Where to buy it? eBay or Amazon. It fits a Honda DB series, a Nissan KA24, Ford 302s, and anything custom. Okay, yeah, it's cheap, but don't knock it till you try it. With a proper tune and good oiling, these can actually work. Great for first-time turbo builds or budget drift cars. Just don't expect it to last forever. But if you want something that lasts and spools fast, wait till you see what number 4 holds. At number 4, the Mitsubishi TD05H16G. Cost $300 to $500. Boost capabilities up to 22 PSI. Best for 250 to 400 horsepower builds. Where to buy it? Used from DSM forums, eBay, or STM Tune. Fits an Evo 1 through 3 series, a Subaru WRX that is modded, a DSM, and any 4G63 builds. This little snail has been slept on for way too long. Fast spool, solid mid-range, and it bolts right on to tons of Mitsu setups. If you're in the right DSM or Evo world, this is almost a rite of passage. But now we're stepping into the Euro territory with number 5, and it's kind of a spicy one. At number 5, we have the Borg Warner K03-K04 hybrids. The cost $250 to $600. Boost capabilities 18 to 25 PSI. Best for 200 to 350 horsepower builds. Where to buy it? ECS Tuning, FCP Euro, or even Amazon. What does it fit? A Volkswagen 1.8T, Audi A4, a Saab 9-3 series, a BMW N54 with adapters. If you're in the Euro scene, this is the budget upgrade. These hybrids spool fast, pull hard, and can push up to 300 horsepower with a good tune. You'll love how they transform a boring daily into something spicy. But let's kick it up a notch. Number 6 actually means serious power. At number 6, we got the Precision 6262. The cost is $800 to $1,100. The boost capabilities, 30 PSI plus. Best for 500 to 700 horsepower builds. Where to buy? Precision Turbo, Summit Racing, or MA Performance. What does it fit? Any LS builds, a 2JZs, the 13Bs, the 4G63s, and anything forged. This is for when you're done playing around. You're building something serious. Power comes on hard and it doesn't stop. and unlike some big turbos, this one can actually spool on the street with decent manners. But maybe you want a track-ready violence. Enter number 7. Number 7, Garrett GT35R, or the GTX35H16G. The cost is going to be between $1,200 and $1,800. The boost capabilities is up to 30 psi, best for 500 to 750 horsepower builds. Where to buy? Garrett Official, ATP Turbo or Boost Lab. It fits 2 JZs, RB26s, LS swaps, an SR20 Vet, and 1 UZs. It's a track monster if you got a solid motor and supporting mods. This will make you go fast. Boost response is respectable, and it just keeps pulling, like a freight train with a grudge. And now, back to the OEM magic. Wait till you see what number 8 is. The IHI VF39. Cost $250 to $400 used. Boost capabilities up to 18 psi stock. Best for 250 to 300 horsepower builds. Where to buy? Subaru forums, eBay, or JDM importers. It fits a Subaru WRX/STI, especially the EJ25s. Also works on GC8 swaps, OEM plus, done right. Great choice for WRX owners who want more without going crazy. It bolts up nice and easy, supports at a stage 2 plus tune, and adds legit power to your daily. But let's go a little more niche. Turbo 9 might surprise you. At number 9, the TD05HL-15T. The Volvo Boys Rejoice. Cost $100 to $250. Boost capabilities 14 to 18 psi. Best for 180 to 250 horsepower builds. Where to buy? Volvo forums, junkyards, eBay. Where does it fit onto? A Volvo 850, a Saab 9 through 5 series, Mitsubishi 4G63 swaps. Sleeper life is a thing, and it's cheap, reliable, and snappy off the line. Perfect if you're turbo swapping an older Volvo or just experimenting on low stakes builds. Don't sleep on it. Now let's wrap things up, but not without one final gem at number 10. At number 10, we have the CX Racing T3/T4 ball bearing turbo. The cost $300 to $450. Boost capabilities 20 to 25 psi. Best for 300 to 450 horsepower builds. Where to buy? CX Racing official site and Amazon. It fits a Honda K series, the Toyota 3S GTE, and the Miata BP engines. CX Racing stepped up their game. These are a solid middle ground between eBay turbos and name brands. Great spool, nice power brand, and solid internals. If you're a baller on a budget but still want decent quality, this one might be for you. And that's it. 10 budget turbos that will help you build faster, boost harder, and still have cash left for gas or tacos. I've been there choosing between groceries or go fast parts. So trust me, these are legit. Drop a comment with your setup or your turbo that you're eyeing. Let's keep this community growing, because whether you're boosting a Civic or LS swapping a Volvo, we all just want to go faster. Like, sub, and stay wrenching. Your next turbo story starts now. See you in the next one on Torque Savvy.